Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. I'm opening up a couple of Zingers by Johnny Lightning. Finally getting around to getting these out of the package here. Check it out. He's loose and out of his package. Finally. I've had this one sitting around here for a little while. Been wanting to open it, just never got around to it. Finally. Let's take a nice close look at this Zinger by Johnny Lightning. This one has the official name here on the side of the card. 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner. It says it's a new casting. Release number 3. This one's out in stores right now at Target. And can't remember the exact price, but somewhere between $5 and $10. These are kind of on the expensive side, so I don't buy too many of these. Once in a while, when I can't find anything else, I'll go for it. But yeah, it's a little hard to keep up with Johnny Lightning because their prices are a little high. It's a lot harder to keep up with these sets that are so much, especially when you get used to the $1 cars. But this is a really nice color on this Zinger, the Plymouth Roadrunner. So cool. It's kind of like a tuned car in a way. Look at that. Wow. Look at those tires. Big tires, big fat tires in the back. Small skinny ones in the front. And on the bottom here on the base, you can see the exhaust on the sides. And then the lift right there. And some markings on the bottom here. If you need to make those out. I can't see them, so maybe you can see them. And down here, what do we have? The Johnny Lightning name. And there's a number right there. That's the base. Here's the side view. Let me back off just a little bit so we can fit them in there. There we go. Isn't that nice? Beautiful black stripe, the hemi name back here. We do have the giant motor, the nice engine, and the wing on the back here. Red lines on the tires, the old school mags. Look really great. Wow, look at that. Handle on the door is painted. The little wing on the back is painted as well. Feels like it might be plastic, just the little wing. Yeah, I think it is plastic. And then we do have a metal base, metal body. All this is painted in, looks amazing. Says beep beep back there. And the name Plymouth right in the middle there. Wow. Tiny little details. The Roadrunner back here. Beep beep, Roadrunner. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Can't remember how that goes. Beep beep, Roadrunner. So cool. Check it out. Comes with a card. Hemi Hustler. Johnny Lightning, check out the flames coming out of that exhaust. So cool. I love the drawings. I love drawings, so this is kind of like one of the things I admire other people's artwork. Zingers 1981 Silverado 10 Fleet side. They have the 73 Plymouth Roadrunner, which is that one. They have the Import Heat series, the Demolition Derby series, blacked out, and spoilers. So there's two different Zingers. Let's check out the other one I have here. This one is the Chevy Kingswood Estate. It's a 1969, by the way. Here's the way it sits on the card. Light blue color. Grocery Sledder. Pretty cool. Very clever. Let's back it off a little bit. So it comes with a card, just like that one right there. Let me see if I can get this one out of this package. We'll read some of the details on the card in a bit. Let me just show you the car real fast. I'll bring it up a little closer. There we go. The Grocery Shredder. Is that what it said? Grocery Sledder. Grocery Sledder. Driftwood name back here. Big fat tires on the back, small ones in the front. The exhaust on this one comes out down here to the side, like the gassers have that kind of exhaust. Really cool. The big engine. Let's get up closer. Wow, look at that. Look at that front end. Surf Rat. Surf Rat right on the license plate. And on the back, okay, Surf Rat as well. And it says Nevada, I think, right? Nevada Surf Rat. So cool. Wow, look at the little, tiny little name right there for the Chevy Kingswood. I can't make out what it says right there. Looks like it might say Chevrolet. I think that's what it says right there, Chevrolet. Almost positive on that one. Driftwood does have a roof rack, really nice roof rack. That looks so cool. Left side driver, no mirrors on the side on this one. We do have the handles painted on the 4 doors. We do have the little keyhole here in the back. All the trim around the windows are painted in, all in silver. Super nice badge on the grill. Again, the license plate and the lights. Really nice. Black interior looks like, or very dark blue. I think it's black. Really nice steering wheel on the left side. It's the left side driver. Very, very nice steering wheel. Nice bench seat in the front. Beautiful. Got a set of stingers here. Zingers. I say stingers. Oh my God. Can't get the words out correctly today, guys. Here are the cards again. The grocery Sledder. So cool. What an awesome drawing. Look at the smoke. Oh man, it just makes me want to draw. I want to see something like this. Makes me want to sit down for an hour or two drawing. I lose myself when I draw go into another world, the world that my mind only knows, I guess you can say. Very cool, man. I love these little cards. And they both just have the checklist on the back for the different sets. So we have Silverado, a Roadrunner, a Kingswood Estate, and a Chevy Camaro. So cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just love these. How do you feel about the Zingers, guys? Almost said stingers again. How do you feel about these Zingers? Is this something you like to collect or don't care for them? Let me know how you feel about them. How do you feel about the Johnny Lightning and all the models they put out? They do put out a lot of nice vehicles. They're just not for everyone. They're a little pricey, so I don't buy that many of them. I do have some, but not too many. I select once in a while, get in the mood, and I'll buy a set just because I can, you know, at the time or whatever. Sometimes I can't afford it, believe it or not. Sometimes just can't. They're kind of expensive. So anyways, there are the cards, really cool cards for each one. Let's see what this one says. This one is the grocery Sledder, which is a Chevy Kingswood. It's a 1969 release 2. This one said says it's a limited edition of 1 of 6010. The other one is 12,000, the green one. So this one is only 6,000 of these, a lot less. Freak facts. This casting can be made with both closed and exposed headlights. Look for the closed headlight version in future releases. So they're going to have one with the headlights closed up. All right. This casting also has 2 exhaust options. It's been tooled to use either headers or the side pipes. Wow, that's cool. The color is an official light blue out to sea. Light blue out to sea. What do we have on the back of the card? I'm sure you want to know. Well, here's the back. Street Freaks. Johnny Lightning Street Freaks features the hottest mods and the coolest rods, ranging from classic American iron to sleek imports. And then over here it says these freaks have already hit the streets, and it gives you a checklist here. Look for 2021 releases. And this was release 1. Or well, no, it's telling you to look for release 1. This is release 3. Oh no, release 2. I'm sorry, guys. Release 2. I'm so out of it today. I apologize. Anyways, here it is, a little checklist. They had the Chevy Cheyenne, the Plymouth Barracuda, the Shelby GT350, a Cadillac Ambulance, the old Cutlass stock car, the Cadillac Eldorado. I saw all of these in the stores, but I don't think I picked up any of these that I can remember. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Either way, here are the Zingers, 2 for each series, I think. And then they'll have the Project in Progress, the spoilers set, the black with flames, and the boogie vans. I did get one of the boogie vans this past year, so they're not showing it here. And these are really cool. That one reminds me of Eddie Van Halen back there. See that? Very, very cool. Some of these are just so beautiful. White Lightning, the original. As you know, 2% of our entire production run are White Lightning variations mixed in with the regular release. We can be pretty sneaky about hiding the special features. Tinted windows, white tire hubs, or white engines are hard to spot. Sometimes we'll introduce a new trait you've never seen. And that's true. They've been sneaky about that. It's been really hard to identify the White Lightning sometimes. Sometimes you think you may have found one. You'll see one vehicle with a lot of white items, like that van that I bought, the Chevy van. It had so many white things. I thought it was a White Lightning, and then I realized when I got home and I checked the Instagram, different White Lightnings, that was not one of them. I was like confused because I thought only the White Lightnings had the white parts. But I hadn't been keeping up with Johnny Lightning, so I kind of lost track of what they've been doing. But these are pretty cool. The Zingers, kind of like really cartoony looking cars, kind of like the old 70s and 60s, late 60s t-shirts where they used to draw the cars really crazy and wacky looking like this. And they even used to have a lot of model kits that I think they've been reissuing some of them. And kind of like the Big Daddy Roth, or Ed Roth, call him Big Daddy Roth, used to draw these cool things like that, like Rat Fink and some crazy monsters driving cars, really giant guys driving these little tiny cars. Really cool stuff. God, look him up. Look up Big Daddy Roth, and you'll see some cool drawings that look similar to these with some really crazy characters, including Rat Fink himself, which lately I've been seeing Rat Fink t-shirts here and there in different stores, which is pretty cool that they're bringing a lot of those drawings back to life. I love it. Cool to see those car drawings with the Big Daddy Roth characters on there. Very cool. All right, guys, let's check out the other box we have for the Chevy Camaro. I'm sorry, the Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth Roadrunner right there. Showing a Chevy Camaro up here. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. And over here it says, this is the first release of our new 73 Plymouth Roadrunner Zinger casting. So they keep saying this is a new casting. Built on the B-body platform, the Plymouth Roadrunner was geared towards younger buyers who wanted a fun and fast car, yet still affordable. That's pretty interesting. Here's the lime green metallic, which is the official color. Now on this set, I bought the version B, so there was another one. I remember seeing it. I can't remember now what color it was in the A version. This one's A version of this one, so that means there's going to be a B version. Well, you'll get this one in a different color. Let's see if they show anything here. Oh, there's the van I have, the green one right there. With the, I'll see how it's in. The interior is white. The hubs or the rims are white. Kind of thought I had a White Lightning there for a second, but it's not a White Lightning. They did it on the first version. Now this one I had found and I left it in the store, never bought it. All right, so the one I bought is the blue version B, and that one's right there. This one was a seafoam green, and I never got it. I remember seeing it, and I never bought it. I bought the new version of this yellow one, which is a gray, blue gray right there. So I have this one. I did see this one, but I passed up on it, which is the Camaro, I believe. I saw all of them. I've seen all of these in the stores multiple times and just passed on. So I only have this van, this Zinger, and this one right here, this Volkswagen. This whole set I passed on when it came out. This one, I remember when I saw this, I thought this blue one was really, really nice. Really nice. And here's the Johnny Lightning Ultimate Checklist. You gotta go to jwcollector.net, I guess, to see the ultimate checklist. Over here they have the Silverado 10 Fleet Side as a Zinger and the Roadrunner, which is the one I have. Very, very nice. Very, very cool. And anything else on here that I can show you guys? It says it looks for 2021 release too. And so I think these might be from last year. I don't know. Some of them have just been hitting my stores recently, like this one. They keep This one I passed on the first time I saw it, then I picked it up the second time I ran into it because I had really liked it but just didn't buy it. And the second time I saw it, I got them. So here they are. Just wanted to show you these today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Give me a big like on this video. And don't forget, I have well over 1,000 videos on my channel. I think over 2,000, something like that. A lot of videos on my channel. And every day I put out shorts, but I also make a full-length video every day. So every day you can always look for a new video or check out some of my old videos if you can find them. They're getting harder to find with all the changes that YouTube has done. Now here they're going to change it so that you can find shorts videos on one page, and you'll be able to sort out instead of old to new. You'll be able to sort out under the videos tab. That's coming soon. They just sent us messages. They're going to create it to where you can choose. You only want to look at long form videos, and it'll list all your long form videos for anybody who wants to see them. And it'll have shorts on a separate page. And then if you do live streams, you'll have your live streams on a third page or a third drop menu. You know, you'll be able to choose a third option. So I think that's what it's going to be, a drop menu where you choose 3 options off the videos tab. So that's going to be changing soon for everybody. And I'm looking forward to see how that works. I am going to miss sort the old one first because that's how I find my older videos. That's going to go away, and it says you're going to have to scroll to find your older videos. I wish they didn't do that. I wish they just added some extra pages. But I understand it's hard to do all that. It costs money. All right, guys, that's the Zingers, Johnny Lighting Zingers. Let me know what you feel about, how you feel about these Zinger cars. And I know it might not be your thing, but let me know if you enjoyed just at least checking out the video, if you enjoyed just watching and seeing what they look like up close. And again, I know not everybody likes these, but if you do, or if you don't, I'm glad you enjoyed watching. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.